Hi friend, today we will see and read Active Directory interview questions and answer. So let's start Active Directory interview questions and answer. What is Active Directory? This is our first question. And answer is Active Directory is a database services which contain all the information of objects such as a user, computer, OU, printer and so on. It enables authentication and authorization for clients in a domain. It used to manage centralized security in the network. Second question, in which location store Active Directory file? System root ntds.dat, or we can say that C Windows ntds.dat. Third question, what is file name in which Active Directory is stored? ntds.dat. Fourth question, which protocol is used by Active Directory? LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Fifth question, how many partition in Active Directory? Schema partition, domain partition, configuration partition and application partition. There are 4 partitions in Active Directory. How to check FSMA role in Windows Server? NetDem query is used to check FSMA role in Windows Server. Seventh question, how many files are created in NTDS folder and brief describe? ntds.dat. This is for the Active Directory database file stored in the ntds.dat file. Second is edb.chk, the checkpoint file. Third is edb.log, the transaction log, each 10 megabytes MB in size. REST1.log and REST2.log, reserve transaction log. Eighth question is, what is the sysvol folder? Sysvol stands for system volume. It contains all information and share folder copy of domain and also group policy security. It's the main part of Active Directory. Whenever if we will unshare of sysvol folder, so that will impact of our share folder on the Windows, and group policy also impact of our server, our client also. Our ninth question is, what is the logical and physical structure of Active Directory environment? Physical structure is domain controller and site, whereas logical structure, domain, tree, forest and OU is our logical structure in Active Directory environment. 10th question is, how to take a backup of Active Directory? So we must about that where Active Directory store to take a backup, such as a system state data where all the Active Directory file and information is stored. Utility for backup, anti-backup and WP admin. Question number 11, what is stand for DC, CDC, ADC and RODC? First, DC stand for domain controller. Second, CDC stand for child domain controller. Third, ADC stand for additional domain controller. Fourth, RODC stand for read-only domain controller. What is object? An example of distinguished name. Objects are located within Active Directory domains according to a hierarchical path, which include the label of Active Directory domain name and each level of container object. The full path to the object is defined by a distinguished name, also known as DN. The name of the object itself, separate from the path to the object, is defined by the relative distinguished name. Example is CNAME. CNAME is client name, MIT, OU, organization unit, sales, belong to organization unit in sales. DC is domain controller, ABC and DC.com means. And 13th question is, what is OU? OU stands for organization unit. It is a collection of user and group, and it gives us a platform to apply Group policy, security on user and group. Our 14th question is, why do we create OU? It's most important question. OU stands for Organization Unit. It helps to manage user and group according to department and give us platform to implement group policy security according to department and requirement of user. It makes easy to find out user belong which department. Our 15th question, what is domain? Domain is a collection of a group, users, computers, printers and so on in a network. These objects share a common directory, database, security policy and security relationships with other domain. After installing Active Directory domain service for using centralized security in a domain on object. 16th question is, what is distinguished between domain and domain controller? Domain. Domain is a collection of users, group, computer, printer and so on in a network. These objects share a common directory, database, security policy and security relations with other domain. And domain controller, it is used to denote a computer within the domain that control the rest of the computer in the domain. From the domain controller, a network administrator can access networked computer, create or delete accounts or manage privilege and security. 17th question, what is forest? Forest is a collection of trees in a domain that share a common global catalog, directory schema, logical structure and directory configuration. At the top, forest represents the security boundary within the user, group and other objects are accessible. 18th question is, what is tree? Tree is a collection of domain which is used contiguous name hierarchical in a domain such as ABC, it.abc.com, south.it.abc.com. That is a tree. You can say that it is created also CDC. What is difference between role transfer and CC? When primary domain controller DC server is going into maintenance task and other servicing, then FSMO role transfer tasks performed with domain controller to ADC domain controller. Whereas domain controller died and it's not usable for future, in that case these tasks perform on additional domain controller to become domain controller. Our last question is, how to recover deleted Active Directory users? In Windows Server 2K12, open run and type dsac.exe. Then new wizard open as the Active Directory Administrative Center. Then click on domain name like abc.com and click on OU. You see deleted user is there and then recover that. In Windows Server 2K8, LDAP is used to restore deleted Active Directory user, and we can also go in the safe mode and we get there also recover and configuration of advanced, something like that, and you will get there. You can also restore Active Directory user deleted from there in the active Windows Server 2K8. So thanks. If you like our video, so please subscribe it, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day, friends.